Hello everyone, welcome to IBU Learning. Today we will discuss the importance of the choosing right Revit family type if you are working with the custom family. So what is the importance to choose the right family type to develop your family, or you can make your custom family with that. So here you can see that I have a sample Revit model from Autodesk, and you can get this file from, if you'll go to open, go to file and then click here this icon, and the sample file you can get it from here. It's already installed with your system. So here just I'm going to any plan, and this, once you will click this one, you can see that this is the furniture. The category is the furniture. Okay. If you click like the plant, it's showing the planting. So like this, these are the category of that all the families categorized. So before making any custom family, we should go and choose the right category. So first let's go to new family, and there are so many options to choose from here. So what you want to make that one. If you don't have this family templates, okay, you can check in my I already made the video how you can update these, so you can check the video from my channel and you can update it, since we have already this one. So suppose I have to make anything, any family like a floor based. Okay, so if you'll here scroll down, you will see that there are options for the generic models. So these are the generic model, adaptive and ceiling based. You can see model, face based, floor based. These are all the options you have to choose from here. So this time I'm just going to use the floor based. Okay, and then you can see what is the use of this. So just click open, and here I'm just going to show in the 3D. Okay, this is just like a base. I mean, this is not the model. Okay, you have to make extrusion on this. So it seems like it's saying that this is the floor where it will be host there. So we'll go to create extrusion. Okay, I'll make one, suppose rectangle 1.5 meter by 1.5 meter. Okay, I'm not going to put any parameters now. 1.5, and this is 1.5. okay, so if you click OK, you can see that the extrusion is, suppose I can make it in the height also. You want to adjust, and you can do it from here. Just go to left or front view, and whatever height you want to put, you can put. Now since we don't have any parameters, so it's okay. Or just I'll go to explain you how you can put the correct height or adjust it. Just go and lock this. Before doing, you have to lock from the bottom also. So this, you can see your extrusion height is 1 meter. Now this one, you got to load this, or you want to change the family name, you can save as before. For me, I'm just going to load the same. Now we will go to floor. Just go to make the floor 3D for any area. Just select few elements and then go to VG, section box, okay, go to VG and make sure that generic model is checked. If it will be not checked, it will not visible in this view, so make sure it's checked. And then go to component, and you can see that you can place here. You can make these things any table, chair or anything, on the floor based, or suppose you have anything floor based, you made that family. Now if you will go to place any family here out of the floor, it will not work, because this is the floor based. It's need the floor to host this family. Okay, it is not going to be on the wall or in anywhere. So next, if we will go to check for, there is another family you can there is face based. If you will go to generic model, face based, this time I'm just going to check the face base. This time also I'll just go to take the 800 by 800. Okay, okay, this is family 2, and then I reload this one the same. And this time you can see that here you can place that on the floor also, and here also you can place in the wall also. So wherever the face is there, you can go and place this family. So this is the benefit of the face base. It is going to adjust in any face, either column face, wall face, floor face, anywhere it will go to adjust that. This time I'll just go to make one column, custom column. So I'll go to again the new family, and from here you will go to column. Make this is like a architectural column. If you are working with a structure, then you have to go and choose this structural column. Go to structural column. So now just I'll go to architectural one column. I'll make something architecturally, some extrusion. So here, if I will go to in the front view, this is showing that bottom and top. So this is the center line. Go to create, and this time I'll just go to use the revolve command. Okay, and then here I'm just going to pick line, center line, sorry, this okay, and just go to draw some. You can see that 300, I can make it 200, I can give some slope, and then I'll come around 700 down, then this here also I'm just again giving 100. Then I will just go to mirror it from bottom also, and just move. Just go to trim. So I have saved something like this. I think I just reduce this little bit, so this will not show more, bumpy face. Okay, the axis I have to choose the middle one. I think I have to close this boundary. Okay, so once it's closed all the loops you have, and then I click OK. Just go to see the 3D. You can see that this is the nice custom column we have, and then I'm just going to load in the model. And I just want to change this column. Just go, and I think the family 3 it was. Yes, this one. So this is the new column what we made, and then you can see that column base, I think it is, let me adjust the base. This is L1 block. Yes, so now you can see that this is the new custom column we created. So like this you can create whatever you want as per your requirement.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.